Walt Disney rightly said, if you can dream it, you can do it. The passionate students of Delhi Public School Jaipur turned their dreams into realities. Hello everyone. Today, I'm delighted to present before you the school toppers of Delhi Public School Jaipur for All India Senior School Certificate Examination 2019-2020. Humanities define who we are. Bhavyaji, with his 98.6%, did not only define himself but also DPS Jaipur by becoming the school topper as well as the stream topper for humanities. Parv Jain, with 97.2%, has aced the science stream. And Khushi Nahar, with her 97.2%, is at the realm of commerce stream. So what are we waiting for? Let's hear the success stories from them.
The strategy that helped me becoming the topper of 2019-2020 session was very simple and is being employed by anyone who wishes to ace the exams. The main areas of concern were to revise the syllabus extensively, to be updated with the syllabus regularly, as well as not to leave any doubts pending for the last moment. We had to be very cautious about the objective type questions because these cover about 25% of the aggregate of our marks. But at the end of the day, nothing was to be worried about because everything went as it was planned. With the efforts of my teachers being put in and their constant support and guidance, the result of 493 on 500 was definitely expected. 495 would have been even better, but nonetheless must take it on the chin and move forward. I'd like to express my gratitude towards my HODs, towards my coordinator, my subject teachers and my class teacher for helping me and working hand in glove with me throughout the year. Teachers, without you, this would not have been possible.
It is important to focus on what gives you satisfaction and to work towards it with utmost dedication. My mantra was to stay calm and study hard. I always believe in taking life in my stride and giving it my best shot. When it came to preparation for the exams, I made sure that I stood focused till the end. I gave equal importance to all three modes of study, be it school, tuitions or self-study. I also ensured to take breaks between study sessions. Above all, the guidance and support of my teachers acted as a catalyst in the path of my success. My biggest motivation is my family. When I see my parents working, it gives me the drive to be like them. Their dedication to work is what motivates me to be like them. I've learned from my father how not to give up on a tough situation. The essence is to go through the grind and face whatever comes your way. This is what excites me to take up greater challenges and risks without the fear of failure or backing out.
Studied in Delhi Public School Jaipur for last 10 years. DPS is like a second home to me. The involvement of teachers with the students is highly motivating here. Even though academics are commendable here, yet my journey has always been beyond my books. I was a part of my school basketball team and also my school student council. These activities along with other co-curriculars have shaped my overall personality. The amazing group of classmates have given me friends for a lifetime. The location of my school and its huge and spacious infrastructure have filled my memories with the joy of studying amid the beauties of nature. I'll definitely miss the canteen, delicious canteen food and our football matches in the school field. I'm very thankful to DPS Jaipur for everything they have given me and will feel very honored and lucky to be a part of DPS Jaipur community. Thank you. My idea is to live the life to its fullest and enjoy each and every moment, whether it be studies. Being regular and focused in my studies is my success mantra. I was consistent in making my notes, solving numericals and practicing numerous question papers. As my teacher suggested, I paid more attention to the subjects in which I was not able to score good marks in my internal exams, which proved very beneficial for me in the later stages. Even though I kept myself away from social media for almost a year, yet I always made time for my family and friends. Conversations with them were re-energizing and motivating. I always made sure to give at least half an hour a day for my workout, which acted like a stress booster for me. It kept my mind fresh and alert. The efforts my parents put in for me during this journey are unforgettable. My teachers have also been a strong pillar for my success. and I would like to thank them for their efforts and constant belief in me. Thank you everyone. Sole advice to all the students would be to make a proper timetable. This includes setting daily targets, mapping your notes, and focusing on NCERTs. The most important thing in my timetable was a slot for music and sports, which acted like stress boosters for me. So I suggest everybody to keep a time for their interests. Whenever demoralized or demotivated, always remember that friends and family are the best support you need. Following your teacher's guidance and suggestions is extremely crucial for your success. In the end, I quote, "Winners never quit and quitters never win." So try to give your best shot in everything you do. Keep in mind the most important thing is to enjoy what you are learning. I wish all the students best of luck for all the achievements coming their way.